Hi, my name is Jason.
I'm Kim, and we're going to show you some dairy measurements. I am your dairy expert.
We are going to show you our ChemWiz-ADK Dairy Analyzer. We have a demonstration of different milk powders, and we're going to measure a milk powder sample, and we're going to add it to our calibration model for milk powder. This is a near-infrared analyzer. It goes from 900 to 1700 nanometers, and it comes in a couple different platforms. We have our case system. We also have our handheld system, and then we also have the handheld system mounted for industrial process applications. So typically for dairy products, we can measure a lot of different milk powders, cheese powders, cheeses, and so forth. And it's very straightforward. If you have a custom dairy powder product to measure the amount of protein, fat, lactose, salt, and other components pretty quickly. And so we're going to go ahead and show you how to add samples to a calibration. You also can make your own custom calibrations very easily with our equipment, and then use our technician mode to run everyday quality inspections. So today we won't demonstrate the technician mode. We'll just show you how to add sample, to take a measurement and then add that measurement to the calibration to theoretically improve or enhance your calibration accuracy. So without further ado, I'll share my screen. And then when we take a measurement, Kim is actually going to put the check sample onto the fixture here. And so this is the reflectance fixture head for the handheld. This is the fixture head for the case system. And then this is our industrial process fixture. We also have probes and other process accessories if that interests you. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So let's go. And this is the interface of our ChemWiz-ADK PRO App software. You can see that here is the near-infrared spectrum. We have our predictor module as well as our model builder module over here. And on the bottom, you have full spectrum control of the spectrometer. You have take sample down here. For model building, you can select your model. As you can see, we have dairy powder loaded. Let's say we also have small grains, meats, cheeses. I'm going to go ahead and go back into our starter calibration for dairy powder. And Kim, please go ahead and put the dairy powder on the reflectance fixture. And we're going to go ahead and press collect. Okay. As you can see, we now have our protein value at 31.19. We have our moisture value at 1.12% and fat at 9.18%. And it's getting me a validation check as a pass. So that's all good news. Let's say that we had a new sample, maybe it was a drier sample than others, and I wanted to add it to my calibration model. This is a PLS chemometrics model, and the way that you do it is right here. You're going to go into the model builder. You're going to select the model that you want. We're going to do milk powder. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click select. And it's going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and compute that model with Savitsky-Golay pre-processing, confirm. I'm going to do SNV and MSC pre-processing. Why not? Let's go ahead and do mean center. Press confirm. And it's going to go ahead and calculate my R-squared for the current model. Say I want to add a sample, the one I just took, I'm going to go ahead and say add data. And so this is going to be milk powder demo. So I'm just going to go milk demo. Okay. And this is a demonstration. So I'm going to say it's got a protein value of 30. It's going to have a, this one is not giving us all the data to input. I clicked the wrong. I'm going to go ahead and add the data to the model, and I'm going to click compute. And so it's going to give me all of the pre-processing steps again. I'm going to press confirm, and now it's going to give me my comparative value. So you can see I actually made the model worse. I could look at my statistical chart of protein predicted to actual. Alrighty, I could also view the data in the data set. And you can see this is the calibration model for just the protein. So I would have to pick the other calibration model if I wanted to add the other components. No biggie, this is just a demonstration. And if I go back to the model builder, I can reselect the model I just added to, which was under milk powder. And now you can see I'm running that milk powder, which is giving me a protein value of 27.65. So thank you for watching our quick demonstration on the ChemWiz-ADK PRO App software, doing a demo measurement of some dairy powder. And hope you enjoyed this. If you have any other questions, give us an email or a call, and can help, and we can help find a solution for your needs.
Thanks for joining us.